Hello, engineers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. By the way, this is Engineer Jiban Aiko Kalaki. At sa araw na to is magsasagot tayo ng isang past board exam taken from the recent REE April 2026 board examination under the subject of Computer Fundamentals. Okay, without further ado, let's start our discussion. So, meron tayong problem dito, engineers. So, yung problem natin o yung tanong natin dito is which of the following is not the common classification of hackers? So ulitin natin, which of the following is not the common classification of hackers? A. White hat, B. Red hat, C. Gray hat, D. Black hat. So para mas maintindihan natin itong tanong na to, so meron tayong explanation dito. So ito yung mga classification of hackers. So pinakaunang type ng hackers natin is yung tinatawag nating white hat hackers. So ano yung ginagawa ng mga white hat hackers? So sila yung mga ethical hackers na nag-i-improve ng mga security system. Yung pangalawang type ng hackers natin is yung mga black hat hackers. So sila naman, yung mga black hat hackers naman is sila yung mga malicious hackers that exploit system for their own gain. Then yung pangatlong type of hackers natin is yung tinatawag nating gray hat hackers. So it is a blending of both white hat and black hat hackers. So combination sila or yung gray hat is a combination of white hat at saka black hat hackers. So ulitin natin, yung white hat hackers is the ethical hackers improve security system. Yung mga black hat hackers naman are malicious hackers that exploit system for gain. And then yung gray hat hackers is the blending of both black hat at saka white hat. So therefore, out of the four choices, ang hindi common classification ng hackers is yung red hat. So wala pong tinatawag na red hat hackers. So itong tatlo na to, ito yung pinaka-common classification of hackers. But i-introduce ko sa inyo yung mga sub-classification niya. So ito naman yung tinatawag na mga hood hackers. So yung pinakauna natin dito is the script kiddies. So sila yung mga inexperienced that uses pre-written tools. Yung pangalawa naman natin is the hacktivists. So sila yung mga nagpro-promote ng mga political or social messages. Pangatlo dito is yung state-sponsored hacker. Sila po yung mga nagkakandak ng mga cyber espionage. And then yung panghuli natin dito is the cyber terrorists, to which yung trabaho nila is to create fear and disruption for political and ideological reason. So, dito na magtatapos yung discussion natin. I hope may natutunan kayo sa araw na to. And huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-share, like, at subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para mas marami pa po tayong matulungan at ma-reach ng mga aspiring board exam takers. So, dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you next time. God bless us all.